Let's be honest, assigning leads in Salesforce isn't as smooth as it should be. Some leads get stuck, some get ignored, and some, well, no one knows where they went. You've got reps asking, where are my leads? Or why did I get this lead instead of that other one? Managers are busy chasing SLAs they cannot track. Admins are literally drowning in manual rules, and reps are frustrated. It's messy, it's slow, and it costs revenue. But what if there was a single solution to solve all of these problems and make your leads journey smooth as ever? That would be awesome, right? Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. Let me take you through a leads journey in Salesforce, but this time with Plauti Assign and show you how it changes everything. Let's say a new lead named Jenny enters Salesforce, maybe from a web form, an event, or an ad campaign. With Plauti Assign, that lead doesn't sit in a queue, waiting for someone to notice. Instead, it moves to the right rep based on predefined rules. Here's how it works. It starts with a match group. This is where you set the rules, such as which records will be processed and how. Plauti Assign works with any Salesforce object, including custom ones. So in our case, the object is lead. Each match group can have a unique purpose. Maybe routing leads for a particular product or for a specific territory. And then every match group has what's called an operational mode. In this case, we have set it to round robin, which is a simple and fair method that distributes leads evenly across reps one by one. But you can also choose load balancing, which sends more leads to the reps who have capacity. Distance, which chooses the closest rep geographically. Or plugin, which lets you insert your own custom logic. Now, not all leads are equal. That's where match rules come in. These are the filters that define which lead should be considered for assignment in this match group. For example, B2B leads from the Netherlands coming from an engineering or technology company will be directed here in the Europe B2B match group. All conditions must be met, like 1 and 2 and 3 for the record to qualify. Next up, we have the assignees, who are the people receiving these leads, aka your representatives. With dynamic assignees, you don't have to manually assign representatives to each match group. You can just define the criteria like team role, region, or language, and Plauti Assign automatically includes the right users inside a group. This way, it ensures that your leads are assigned to only qualified reps. For instance, a regional expert who actually speaks the lead's preferred language would be a better representative to handle that lead. Moving on to the assignee settings. Here, you can define working hours, capacity, and thresholds for each assignee. Additionally, you can set up notifications as well. This helps in optimizing the workload distribution when any rep is unavailable. But we also want to avoid overloading a single representative, right? Well, Plauti Assign gives you the capacity model feature. It tracks how many leads each person is already handling and makes sure no one gets overwhelmed. For example, our user Chloe here has a capacity threshold of 20. So when she hits 20 leads in a day, her work is done and any incoming lead will be redirected. You can define capacity criteria here, including the object to which the capacity model applies. Based on the criteria, the availability of assignees will be taken into consideration when assigning a record. To keep things moving, you can add SLAs or service level agreements. These ensure that your high priority leads are followed up first by the most competitive rep. So if the assigned rep misses their window to connect with Jenny, Plauti Assign can automatically reassign or escalate Jenny to a different representative. Now that everything is done, where do you track the performance of your assignees? Well, the assignee summary gives you a real-time view of each rep's availability, taking working hours, capacity, and time zones into account. And with built-in analytics, you can track time to SLA, rep performance, and make informed changes in strategy. That's just one lead, but Plauti routes thousands every day. From defining which leads matter, choosing the right reps, protecting your team's workload, and enforcing follow-ups, Plauti Assign automates the entire routing journey. And the results are exactly what you want. Speed to lead, a more productive team, and a lot more closed deals. Check it out on Salesforce App Exchange. That was all from me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more such videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.